Good day, everyone. I am Jessamay Bungkag, and now I will be going to discuss the language versus dialect. Now, let us know first what is language. Language is a system of communication by speaking, writing, or making signs, the sign language. It is in a way that can be understood, used by people. And next is the language provision in the 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, which are embodied in Article 14, Section 6 and 7, provided the legal basis for the various language policies that are being implemented in country. So, Article 6, which says that the national language of the Philippines is Filipino as it evolves further, develop, and enrich on the basis of existing Philippines and the other language. While Section 7 says that it is for purpose of communication and instruction. The official languages of the Philippines are Filipino and until it otherwise provided by law, English. So, English and Filipino is an example of a language. Now let's proceed to the dialect. So now what is dialect? Dialect is a variety of language spoken by a particular group of people. And dialect can also refer to a language subordinate. So when we say language subordinate, it is the process by which non-mainstream varieties of a language are systematically discounted and which sometimes called a positioned as ineffective. So, language subordinate in status to dominate language and is sometimes used to mean vernacular languages. Then, what is vernacular languages? Vernacular languages, when we say that, it refers to the local standard native languages that commonly spoken within the community. So, vernacular languages means that the way people use language in a specific country or region.
Okay, now let's proceed to the differences between language and dialects. In language, it is a fundamental aspect of human culture because language plays a crucial role in shaping and transmitting cultural values, beliefs, and knowledge within a community. It is a cornerstone of human society, while on the other hand, the dialect includes differences in pronunciation from the language it comes from. Dialects are variation within a language. It is often distinguished by pronunciation and differences in accent. In language, language is more general. This refers to a broader scope of language. A language encompasses many variation like dialects, but itself a larger, more encompassing system of communication. In dialects is used to refer specifically to a particular variant of language. This emphasizes that a dialect is a subset of larger language. It's a specific version spoken in a particular region or by a particular group of people. In language have a country. This statement is a simplification. While many languages are associated with specific countries like Spanish, with Spain, many languages transcend with nation borders. For example, English, French, and Arabic. It's more accurate to say that language are often associated with nation or regions, but the connection isn't always straightforward. On the other hand, dialects are regional. Many dialects are geographically localized. The way a language is spoken can vary significantly from one region to another. So in language have a standard written forms. Established language generally have standardized spelling, grammar, and punctuation rules, often codified in dictionaries and style guides. This allow for a consistent written communication, while on the other hand, the dialects are mostly oral. While some dialects are have a written forms, they are often primarily transmitted through spoken communication. Standardization is less common than in language. In language, speakers of two languages will somehow will have a trouble on understanding each other. It is because that This point to the core characteristic of distinct language, a lack of mutual intelligibility. Speakers of different languages generally cannot easily understand each other without prior learning or translation. On the other hand, speakers of two dialects can understand each other saying. This is a key differentiator. Speakers of different dialects of the same language can typically understand each other, even if there are differences in pronunciation, vocabulary, or grammar. This contrasts sharply with the lack of mutual intelligibility between speakers of different languages. That's all. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. Now I will give you an example about language and dialect. Some reporter says the definition of language and dialect. We have the characteristics, and now I'll give you the characteristic of dialect and language. So language has a typical standards form, while dialects has an often lack of formal standardization. And characteristics of dialects is one of it is a regional variation, the distinct pronunciation, the unique vocabulary, and in the characteristics of language is the distinct grammatical structure, unique vocabulary, and also, like I said earlier, the standardized form. Now I will give you the example of the language and dialect. Language, for example, it is spoken languages. In the Philippines, we have English and Filipino. We have non-spoken languages. We have American Sign Language and Filipino Sign Language under the Republic Act number 11106. In dialect, we have the Philippine regional dialect. We have Tagalog, the Cebuano, the Waray, and the Kapampangan. So those are the examples of the Philippine regional dialect and the Philippine language. That's all. Thank you.